Okay, welcome back. So in this training, we are going to do three important things right here. And that is number one, we are going to create more categories based on the type of product you want to import. That is the type of category you are going to create. Number two, we are going to link our store, which we created, designed, change logo, change everything. Okay, we are going to link that store to the Dropazz software to be able to import products from this particular software. We're going to do that, okay? And then lastly, we're going to import products into our store, all right? As simple as that. Now, welcome back. Let's do this, all right? First thing you need to do, like I have said, this is about how to import products to your store, all right? The first thing to do is to come to your dashboard environment, which is your store environment, and then come under products, all right, and go to categories. So you need to add categories of products you want to sell, all right? Now, don't get it twisted, all right? Don't get it mixed up. You need to import only one single type of product, okay? So this analogy is very important. So if you are selling products that are jewelries, focus on it. That's for your good, please. Focus on jewelries and become a lord or king or queen of that jewelry. There is necklace, there is earring, chain for the hands, there's chain for the leg. There's so many product categories under one category or one industry of jewelry. All right, so have this in mind when you're importing products, okay? And we don't recommend that you import more than 50 products or for a start, because you need to really understand things based on the action that's happening on your store. Don't go beyond 50. In fact, the best of best is 20. When you have those products in your store, you understand the pricing, everything about your store. And then if there's any little issue, you're able to come back and fix it up fast. Are you getting it? You come back and fix it up without any issues. Now, let's get to it, right? Come to product categories. And then you find yourself here. And then you add categories of product, right? Okay, so when we talk about jewelry, we talk about earring example. I hit enter. Once you type the stuff, hit enter on your keyboard or come down, hit add new category. All right. And then once it's added, you can see it's added here. You can add another. You can add anklet. All right. Example, this is for jewelries, niches. Okay. This is for jewelry. So come down and add new category. As simple as that, you have added product line. All right. Now, the next thing in line is that you want to go ahead and begin the process of linking this part to this side where the products reside. Okay, this is the main software where your products are, product management, including creating of the store started all from here, right? So, but we need to link our new store that we created, because you can have multiple stores. You need to interlink them into your environment, right? So come here and go to, once again, under products, click on import products. Click on that. Now, once it loads like this, go ahead and hit add key. Right here, click add key. Meanwhile, once you click once, don't click anything again. Just allow it to load by itself. Automatically, it does on the background. Everything you click here always goes on the background, right? So come here under description. Once it loads like this, after you have hit add key, you come here and then you type in the store description. Okay, what are you selling? You can say, okay, I'm selling, this is USA jewelry store. Your choice. Please just give it any title, small letter or capital letter. It's all gonna work. Then leave your username or your email address is right there. Then permissions, click here and change it to read / write. Then hit generate API key. All right, so the keys are generated. As simple as this. Now we have to go ahead and copy the first key, copy the second key, and head to the other side and add them. But before we do that, go ahead and view your site up here. Click on view my site by, okay, you can just right click. Don't click on it straight up. Just right click. Just come here and click copy link address. Copy link address. Just come here, view my site, right click on it and copy link address. So you don't want to leave this page so that you don't obstruct what you have created. But even though there is obstruction that you left here, just go back again and hit import products, add key again. It doesn't matter. You can add up to 2, 3, 4, 5 more keys. As once it creates, right, copy them and then you go ahead and use them. So come here, store management, and hit stores. Now all you just need to click here is integrate store right here. Integrate store. All right, now we have to paste our link that we copy. But before we do that, let's give it a name. In this case, we want to give it a name called jewelry example, right? My jewelry store, USA jewelry, etc. So anything you want to give it, it doesn't matter if it matches with the other side you gave name or not. It doesn't matter. So now paste your link, your website link that you copied, right? All right, and then there is this little bit of slash that is here. Click delete that right this like this, and then hit integrate. Please, while you are waiting for the thing to integrate immediately, it will show success, right? That is not all. Don't just say you saw success and that is it. No, you have to come back and click stores, right? Come back and click stores, and then hit manage on the store you just added. Now this is the keys. The reason why we are clicking the manage, because we want to add those keys that were generated inside our store, right? So come back and copy the first key, hit back here and paste your first key, and then come back again, copy your second key and paste it right inside here and save. And now you are done linking your store. Now that we are done, the next thing we need to do is to add some important features on this store, right? Like for instance, if we want to import a particular type of product, we want the software to be able to multiply those product prices for us. All right, so we want it to multiply the product prices without issues for us. As simple as that. So how do you do that? It's very simple. Come under here, store management again, and click store settings. Now, under your store settings, I've already preset some things here, but yours is going to be completely empty. In fact, it's going to be showing custom right here on your own as a new store, right? A new account, right? So click on here and select multiply. Now, what this is going to do for you is help you multiply or add your own profit, automatic profit that you want to always add to every new product you import, so that you don't want to be doing things manually. First of all, price markup. So if I put $1.5, okay, let's assume that I put $2. Okay, let me just type 2. Okay, so every product that I import is going to multiply that product by 2. That is just what this means. So just type your number according to what you want based on your product lines and product stuff, right? This is very important. Price cent markup, right? So this one is now where you want this thing to bring up that dot something pricing on your website. Like for instance, if you are buying a product, always show .99, .89, right? That's little dot something, right? That's what you're going to type here. Like mine, I just typed 99. Now the last one is compare at price markup. So this is the price that cancels to show deal on your website whenever people come to visit. That means you're seeing a price that is $20, but there is one that is canceled that shows $45. So this is what that is. All right, just make sure that this one is always higher than this one. That is when things will work out well for you on this multiplication option. That's why I'm leaving this to 4. I can change it to 5, as simple as that. Now compare at price markup, I just added $99. Meanwhile, the last thing you need to do here is to come here and click under the default product description, leave it as simplified. Click on that and hit simplified. Then your own will not, these blue lines will not be on your own. Just make sure it is turned blue. You can see here, this is not blue, but these ones are blue. So your own is going to be showing something like this, right? Check them one by one so that they will be completely blue like this. Let them turn blue like this, okay? And then save. That is all. Don't change any other thing here. Just leave everything as it is and hit save. Now the next thing is to import these products from your store. So you have 3 methods of importing products. One is to import straight up from Dropazz AliExpress product importer. Now I don't want to go through Dropazz AliExpress product importer here, AliExpress products here, because I want to go to AliExpress directly and import products. But you can come here and search for as many products as possible, right? But most importantly, you can come here under Dropazz USA products for USA warehouse of Dropazz. So Dropazz stores some products for you in the USA, okay, that helps you ship faster products to your customers. So as simple as that, right? So if you want to get faster shipping to your customers, this is the best option for you, all right? Whereas if you want to get other options, maybe you want to have some certain other options, important, maybe you didn't find the exact product you like here, right? And then you want to go ahead and import straight up from AliExpress directly, okay? Go ahead and do that. So, and that is the next option I'm going to give you. So that is going to be not going to be on this particular video. We're going to do it on another video where you are able to install Chrome extension and import straight up from your AliExpress. Go to AliExpress straight and import product. We're going to do that shortly, okay? Now, here, I come here and add to import list. The first thing you do is once you open here, search the product that you like, search the word like watch, jewelry, anything. Like for instance, I want to search jewelry here and I hit search. So it's going to give me everything about jewelry that we have in store right now here. You can see that beautifully well designed, oh no, really looking cool jewelries, okay? So let's assume we want to import this one here. Just going to hit add to import list, add to import list, add to import list, add to import list. This, how many now? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Now, that is for Dropazz USA products, okay? Focusing this product must be imported and pushed to only international stores, store that you want to base to America, Australia, Canada. Are you getting it? These are stores you want to sell to first world country or European countries, right? Why? Because shipping to these areas is going to be faster for you. They are going to be faster for you when you pick the product from Dropazz USA products. Meanwhile, you can equally come here. If you want to import product for Nigerian market, come here and click LDS products, right? Remember, we have added some to import list from the Dropazz USA. So we want to add some here too from LDS product. For those that are selling products, okay, because your second store might be focused to Nigerian market. So even if you are not a Nigerian, you are based in the UK, Australia, Canada, good. Nigeria is a big market you can tap into, all right? Even Elon Musk and so many brands and companies make sure that they tap into Nigerian economy because they are very much populated and they buy things a lot. As simple as that, right? Now, here's the deal. You come here, search again any product of choice. In this case, I want to search watch here. I hit enter. So it's going to bring out watches upon watches of choice. If I even search shoes like sneakers shoes, it's going to bring out sneakers, related shoes, okay? Let's assume sneakers, all right? And hit search under sneakers. It's going to bring sneakers related products that you want to sell to Nigerian market, okay? These are brand new shoes, okay? And well packaged to be sent to your customers as they are, all right? Now, let's assume you want to import any of these products. You want to add this to import list like this one, add to import list, add to import list, add to import list, add to import list, right? Okay, now we can now head to where import list. But before we go to the import list, right, let me explain something extra for you. If you look at this product price here, it says 5,000 naira, okay? 5,000 naira, right? These are the prices, 4,999 naira. Whereas you can sell 10 times more than this price, 20 times, 5 times, 14 times, right? Because this product, minimum they are sold in Nigerian boutiques at 13,000 upward. Minimum, barest minimum is 8,000. And then 13, 20,000, 19,000 upward, right? Depending on the exact product quality of these sneakers and shoes, all right? So in that case, pay attention very well on the pricing. Now, sometimes our suggestion here is not what it's meant. Don't take, like for instance, here now it's 4,900. Like you will see, oh, you sell 5,500. No. You can sell much more than that. So it's not like a direct suggestion for you. Look at this particular shoe. Look at this very clean looking shoe at 3,775 naira. 3,755 naira, okay? And then you can sell for 6,000, you can sell 8,000, 10,000, 14,000, etc. Now that is it. Once you have added to import list, come under import list here, and then you will see all the products you imported. Okay, so these are the products. These are the products under the import list. You can see clean, nice looking, clean product. So now under the description, some of these products, their descriptions are not completely written out. So you can give it more description if you want using the title, right? The page is still loading. Sorry, it's still loading up here. So, but using the title, you can give it extra description. Under the description tab, you see information about the product, right? So let's assume this is the description of this one, right? Obviously that is it. So you can click on this place, by the way, with your mouse and drag, hold down and drag to open up inside this page so that you see more of the product pictures and everything about the item as it is, right? So you can give more details about it. You can equally give more information about your, service, how much you can really give them better offer, stuff like that. No, your choice. Make sure you understand, you do things accordingly, right? Because you are a business person, you need to really put in a little bit of your own little creativity in your product that you want to sell online. Very, very important. Dropazz job is to provide you the product, provide you the training, provide you with the resources, provide you with the store, manage your business, run your business, make an unbelievable amount of money for yourself, and will back you up strong with a server, best server system and best product line. Okay, now let's come down here. I want to look for those jewelries. Look at them here. These ones now are from the international market, right? Whereas the shoes are from the local market. Remember, I purposely did this, but don't make that mistake. Don't import products that are of Naira, that is local market products, into your international market store. The price is going to go off the roof, and then sometimes you will have errors on when you're trying to push it. So don't do that at all. Okay, very, very important. Now, as well, one of the other reasons why you may have error when you are trying to push product to store is that you have two stores that are active at the same time. That is a wrong thing, right? When you come under store management, under stores, you will have like two stores. Your two stores that you created, you have like two that are actually completely active at the same time. Don't make that mistake, right? If we come here, you can see these ones are inactive. That is how I turn them off by clicking manage and turn it to inactive, right? Let me do that on this one so that you see this one is active, but I'm not going to turn it off because we want to push product to it, right? So I can just click under status and turn it to inactive. One store at a time must be active at a time. This is what I'm trying to explain here. Now let's go back and then know that, okay, the one that is active is international, or the one that is active is local. We call Nigerian market local, right? Now here we go. Let's assume we want to push this product to store. We choose what this product is. Okay, if it's, for instance, now this is ring, and this ring is not, their category is not here, right? You see that the category is not here. Why? Because we did not add it under categories here. So come back here and click on categories and add that category of that product you want to add to your store. All right, once you add a category, come back to that your import list again and reload the page. Come back to your import list and reload the page. Now it will now be showing here inside here. So, and then once you have it inside here, go ahead and pick it up. So I'm just assuming that this is the ring, then I'm going to pick earring. So that just be like that. All right, so because I didn't add it, right? So now let's assume that this is the ring. I just pick category. You can equally pick multiple categories, right? You can hold down your control key on your keyboard and add more categories, right? By selecting them to your choice. So for now, I want to add just one. Let me just pick earring, all right, for this item. And then the title is very important. This is SEO enabled title. You want to make sure that your titles are well, SEO, that is search engine optimized. Very, very important, because sometimes you have good number of sales coming from free traffic from Google and etc. just because of the way you title your product. So look at the product line. Sometimes when you import product, the name may be too long, so I can call it exquisite rose gold flower ring. All right, for anniversary. All right, and then I delete the rest. Okay, I can delete the rest. I can call it for marriage and gift anniversary. When somebody is searching for ring for gifting on Google, my product is likely to come out. When somebody is searching for something else that's related to ring and it has any of these keywords, my product is likely to come out. That's what we mean by SEO enabled title. Okay, very important. Meanwhile, don't expect that when you push the product because it's SEO enabled, you just instantly have sales because your store is SEO enabled. No. SEO takes time to optimize. Okay, a lot of time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, etc. So don't do that. There is traffic training inside your Dropazz account here. All right, after you are done with this class, come to your traffic training and learn how to run powerful traffic cheaply to your website for massive sales. Okay, all right, now let me go back to that product and we go ahead and hit push to shop. Remember, you must have touched the description as you want. All right, make changes as you want, give more information if you want to give more information, look at the pictures, delete the one that you don't like, remove the pictures that you don't like or text that you don't like by just tapping on it and backspace on your keyboard and it will delete. All right, or just the way you delete things on your phone, on your laptop or your keyboard, as simple as that. Now let's come back here and then we hit push to shop. Under the product line here, click push to shop. So this product is going to disappear from here. Let's look at this. Look at this, the ring as it is, right? It's going to disappear in just few seconds. Right there, the product has gone, disappeared completely. It's no longer here. Now, where is it? It has gone to the store. Now, this is how you can import as many products as possible to your store, but don't go beyond 50. The best option is 20. Why? Because you want to have control over your product line. You want to understand much more about your product line. You want to really be vibed up about your product. So it's not about hundreds of products in your store, but few, quality. So take your time on your product. That's what I want to explain. Take your time. Few, quality, and as well, you can always, want to write some story. You're able to give some customers some more information about your product line and stuff like that. So because you are really a brand, not just somebody who wants to fill everywhere up with product. So maximum of 50 for a start, or even best on best 20. Okay. Now you can as well import this product in bulk. Okay. For instance, when I am done touching anyone, I hit the category and then I make changes on the title and then check the description as I want. Then I move to the next one. I do the same thing, check, okay, click the button, select the category, make changes on the description fast, right? And check these boxes one by one. All this one, check this, okay? Check all the boxes of the product that you imported. After you had done editing them, check the boxes, then scroll down to the bottom and then hit this push to shop. You can go and sleep, because now it's going to be on its own push the products to your store while you are doing other things. But don't close the tab. You can open a new tab and go do other things, right? Now let's look at the product that we have just imported so that you see how it looks. So to look at your product that you imported and even make changes on the pricing, see the price and stuff like that on the item, right? You can do that by coming under store management again, go to product in store, and right inside here you can now see the product that you imported. Like this is the jewelry that we imported. If we view it by clicking view here, it's going to show inside our store how it looks, how beautiful it will look, how wonderful it looks, right? It's going to show. Let's see, look at that. I mean, the titling, everything clean, very HD picture. That is why Dropazz is your best, right? You cannot get any software that will get these HD pictures like this. And then you can see the title complete. Then the price was multiplied by the settings that we did, right? But in case this price maybe is too much or too small of what you want, right? You can make changes. Look at your description by the way of the products. So clean, all right? So clean. So your customers can add product to cart, choose categories, and import or add to cart and buy from your store. But if you want to change and upgrade your price, right, you can come back and hit more under product in store, locate the product and hit more here, and then you will see update price. Look at that, update price. Click on that. Now you have all the product categories of pricing of each category under this one product. Come here, make changes. Okay, I want to sell this one for $12 instead. Okay, $12.99. Then I want to increase. Make sure that you increase this one to like $20 or $15 so that it will be higher than this price here. Do the same thing for all, right? Do the same price change for all and then update. Hit update here. Just watch it to update before you go anywhere. So it doesn't take much time. It's just seconds. Look at that. It says updated. As simple as that. Now, when you go back to your store after you have updated and refresh your page, the price is going to be changed automatically because you have changed it inside your software. So that is how to adjust your product, import product, make changes on the pricing, all right, as much as you want inside your Dropazz account.